welcome back to my channel. So to continue my baby shower theme, I created this backdrop for my baby shower. Again, I tried to personalize my baby shower as much as I could. So this backdrop was very easy to do. It was fun doing it, and I absolutely love the finishing result. As you can see, it says, "Oh baby." So that's the I put it on the back in my backyard during the baby shower where my family and friends took pictures. So it came out very nice. Again, I thank Wani Davis for putting the balloons around it to give it more of a finishing touch to it. um, Again, I really enjoyed doing this, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and get some wonderful ideas for either you or a family member or a friend baby shower. So I'm just showing you guys the material that I use. I got this foam board. I got it from Lowe's. I believe it was $11. I got it from Lowe's. And then the cloth, I bought the cloth from Joann Fabric. I wanted to get a more of a elastic touch to it, but you can choose to do whatever fabric that you want. You don't have to go with elastic if you don't want to, but the cardboard is very light. And then I use the top of a shoebox. You guys will follow everything. It's kind of hard to explain what I did with the shoebox, but the shoebox was basically giving it a leverage for the "Oh baby" sign. And I also use a smaller foam board to make the square that had the letter, the "Oh baby" sign. I use white and gold. That was a theme for the shower. And then the flowers, that is Baby Breath. That's a new flower that I'm kind of getting into love with. But of course, I have love for my hydrangeas, as you can see. And the letters I got from Hobby Lobby. I painted the letter white. I was just showing you how it looked before. And then the little green foam, I'm going to use it to also balance the background, the "Oh baby" sign background. So I'm talking too much, but if you're new to my channel, I welcome you to my channel. Please go ahead and hit that subscription button below and join the family. And I hope you enjoy this video and get some ideas. Oh, I'm also showing you knee pad. You know, with that belly, it's getting heavy, so I needed some knee pad to get on my knee on my hard floor. As you can see, I have a wooden floor. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please give this video a thumbs up, leave some comments and suggestions, and I welcome again comments and suggestions.
So this is the final look. I'm very pleased with the way it turned out. I'm very happy with the turned out. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And again, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscription button below and join the family and help my channel grow. I truly hope that you learned something new from this video, or you gather an idea from watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.